So today we will discuss about physiotherapy management for sciatica. So physiotherapy management is divided into portions. That is, first is electrotherapy, then exercise therapy, then manual therapy. So in electrotherapy we give TENS, transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation. That is a machine which is used to treat pain which is traveling from back to the lower leg. And then we use hot pack, hot fermentation for muscle relaxation, and then we go up on exercise protocol. Exercise protocol, first stretching, then isometric strengthening, then concentric strengthening, and then we move on to manual therapy. So first is our stretching protocol. Stretching, we do hamstring stretching. We have a patient who is suffering from sciatica and he is having pain back along with the lower leg, back side of leg. So we do first hamstring stretching and calf combined stretching. Loose. Stretch out. So patient feels stretch in hamstrings and as well as calf muscle. The duration of the stretch will be 30-second hold, 3 sets each. First, next exercise is piriformis stretch. Same duration, stretching duration lasts in 30-second hold and 3 sets. Stretch. So patient will feel stretch here along the nerve root. And then third stretch is this. Patient will feel stretch over here, adductor muscles. 30-second hold, 3 sets. And then knee to chest. This is the stretch for gluteal muscles. Duration is 30-second hold, 3 sets. So this is the stretching protocol, and now we come to strengthening, isometric strengthening. So first is bridging. Ten-second hold, 5 sets initially. Then we increase our number of sets. First 10-second hold, 5 sets each. So this is our first isometric strengthening, that is pelvic bridging. Then rolling. 10 on each side. 10 on right, 10 on left. When the pelvis is moving this side, then the patient has to move his head over the opposite side. This is the correct method for doing pelvic rolling. Then we'll place a towel roll over the back, low back. And we ask the patient to press that towel. 10-second hold, 5 sets. This is the third isometric strengthening. And then core muscle strengthening. Patient tend to move forward and then backward. Core muscle strengthening. This is the fourth isometric strengthening exercises. And then straight leg raise, isometric strengthening. Hold it for 10 seconds. No, hold it for 10 seconds. 10 seconds, 5 reps. This is the strengthening for quadriceps muscles. This is isometric strengthening, and when we do concentric, we tie a weight cuff. 1 kg weight cuff over the foot, and we ask the patient to lift the leg. Hold it for 10 seconds and 2 reps, not 5 reps, because muscle will be tired if we do 5 sets. Now we move on to manual therapy. What we do is we mobilize the nerve which is compressed. in sciatica, sciatic nerve is compressed. The course of sciatic nerve root is from low back L4, S1, S2 till the whole back side of leg. So now we mobilize the nerve, sciatic nerve, which is compressed. Loose. Stretch out. Hold it for 10 seconds. Then we mobilize the nerve. 1, 2, 3, start. Loose. 20 glides. 3 times. So this is our manual therapy.